Nakshatra of grade 7.
And I am Pranavi from grade 6. Good morning, respected principal, and very warm welcome to the heartbeat of our institution. Our dear parents, we are delighted to have you here for a morning of talent, emotion, and timeless stories. Your presence is the greatest encouragement for our youngsters. Today, we celebrate not just art, but values that shape us.
To begin this auspicious journey, let's invoke the divine. Light is a symbol of knowledge that dispels the darkness of ignorance. I request our beloved principal, Srimati Mamta Prakash ma'am, along with Manjula ma'am, to join us on stage to light the lamp as our students chant a part of the Nitya Puja ritual. Draupadi showed us the power of a woman, our next character takes us to the kingdom of Kishkinda, a warrior known for his immense strength and a tragic end, Vali. Let's take a look at the wall of hatred built between two great brothers, Vali and Sugriva.
You don't tell the name of your boy.
खतम खतम सुग्रीवारिति तारे विमुञ्च मम वस्त्राणि वस्त्रस्तवत्रनेने किमसिं प्रवर्त सुग्रीवमध्यसमरे नैकाद्यमानं तं पश्यत शोणितपरिव्रातसर्पगात्रम् सुग्रीवा कश्यतां मम पराक्रम
What's your name?
Anand, Anil.
Anand, Anil, to which class?
Ma'am, I'm going to say.
You will say. Very good.
Moving from mythology to modern
Louder, my
world,
dear. My dear, little louder.
moving from mythology to the modern world, the strength of a woman has remained the backbone of society. However, empowerment isn't just a word; it is a ride and a journey. Up next is a sweet and moving play that celebrates the spirit, dreams, and undeniable power of women.
Hey guys, today someone in class said that women must achieve more. Why only us? I'm tired of hearing that. Adjust? No way. Even in Mahabharata, Draupadi didn't stay silent when she was disrespected. If somebody crosses the line, we should speak loud and clear.
True, and half the problem starts because the society doesn't let women ask questions. I say, ask everything, challenge everything. That's how change begins.
Take the mic, my dear. Take the mic, my dear.
It starts because the society doesn't let women ask questions. I say, ask everything, challenge everything. That's how change begins.
Exactly. Some people think that women are fragile, but they forget that we fight battles every single day. Sometimes at home, sometimes in society, sometimes in our own minds.
You know, people call Sita weak, but walking away from the place where she lost her dignity, that was her strength. And today, it is something that hurts our self-respect. So, we must walk away too. Yes, yes, courage is not just something fighting with walls. Courage is saying no. Courage is saying enough.
Courage is education too. To give a girl one's knowledge and the world cannot control her.
And when the world becomes unfair, we become our own Durga, not with weapons, but with confidence.
So, what do we really want as a woman? Respect.
Equality.
Freedom.
And support from each other. You know what? We look like four biological women here. Arya, you have Sita's dignity. Gandhi, you have real Gandhi's brilliance. And Durga, the name says it all. But what about me? Maybe I have a fire?
And all of these are inside every woman.
So, let's make a promise today. Whatever comes our way, we will face it together.
We are Shakti. We are strong alone, but unstoppable together. Thank you and Jai Gurudeva. Surati.
Surabhi, which class? That also you need to tell. Fourth.
From Nakshatra, I'm going to 7.
I'm a beginner going to 7.
You are Abhi Abhi.
And Pranavi going to 6.
After those powerful emotions, it's time to give your heart a little rest and your face a lot of exercise. They say laughter is the best medicine, and our next performer has the perfect prescription. Get ready for some side-splitting laughter with this comedy scene.
Jai Gurudev, my name
कुर्वतः मम उदरस्य पूर्णतायै अवसरो लभ्यः भक्ष्य भोज्य जोष्य खाद्यै उदरमे तर्पयामि Thank you and Jai Gurudev.
As we drew to the conclusion of our program, we leave you with a thought-provoking performance. Parents give us wings to fly, but often find themselves
ಆಹಾ, ಈಗಾದರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ? ಅವಳು ಬದುಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Parents are the people who truly love us the most before we even knew the meaning of love. They cared for us, they fed us, they protected us. So never think of them as a responsibility in old age. Think of them as the greatest blessings in life. Thank you, Anjali.
It was.
Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you.
Other students
Follow the name.
ಅಚ್ಯುತ, ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ, ನಿಖಿಲ್,
Receive the certificate with both your hands.
ಹರಿಣಿ,
You should receive your certificate with both your hands, not just one hand.
ಸ್ವರ, ವಿವಾಸ್,
Receive it with both your hands.
ಋಷಿ, ಅಮೋಘ್, ಧನುಷ್, ರವೀಂದ್ರ, ಪ್ರಣವಿ,
Receive it with both your hands.
ಸ್ಮೃತಿ, ಸಂಗಮ್, ರವಿ, ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ, ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾಪನೆ, ಪೃಥ್ವಿ, ಅವನಿ, ಶರದಿ, ಮೌನಿಕ, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಆನಂದ, ವರ್ಷ, ಪುನಃ
it was very helpful for me. slogan about Nitya Puja Nidhi, and we played very good. Thank you, Jyoti. He made us play, he made joke. Introduce yourself. My name is Nikhil. I'm 7. He made us play. He was joking. It was really fun. We were studying together. Everybody was laughing.
I'm Malava from going to 8th standard. I like to share my experience about the summer camp. Like the summer camp is very good for me because easy basic Sanskrit and lot of things to learn. It was very easy and I thought it was difficult at first. Then I understood it will be easy. So I continued practicing. Then I understood it will be easy. I practiced and every time Alexa tried to help me a lot in the dialogues and speeches. So this was very happy summer camp for me. Thank you and Jay.
Chitra, I'm going to 7. My program sir told us stories. We learned basic Sanskrit. We learned the Nitya Puja Nidhi. It was really fun. It was a mix of learning and enjoyment. It was a very nice experience.
ಜಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶಿಬಿರವೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಿಂದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಜ್ಞರಾಜರತಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ತತ್ತೇತರೋ ಜನಃ ಸಯತ್ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಲೋಕ ತದಂಗ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ, ಯಾವ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಜನರು ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಆಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚಾರಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಜನರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ಆಚಾರಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವೇದವಾಕ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ದ್ವಿಜೋತ್ತಮ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯೋತ್ತಮನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಸುಧಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಥಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಯಥಾಜ್ಞಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ, ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಮಮತಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಏನನ್ನೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ, ಸರ್ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಿಬಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬಾರದೇ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಯೋ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಅನಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸದಾ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನಂತವಾದಂತಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಜೈ ಗುರುದೇವ್.
Jai Gurudev. A warm welcome to all the parents and the grandparents present here. So, let me start by congratulating to all the parents. You decided to send your ward to a camp like this. So this is no ordinary camp. This is no ordinary camp. no ordinary camp. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಹೆಸರೇ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಿಸಿದ and ಇದು ಯಾರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು. It is with the blessings of the Jagadgurus. Yes, Sannidhanam and Mahasannidhanam of the Sringeri Matha. So anything that comes with the blessings of a Guru carries a lot of grace. See, that is important. See, you have a lot of summer camps. You have robotics, you have STEM education, you have AI. Now everybody is running after AI and robotics. Yeah. So sometime or the other you will learn AI. You will learn. The children will learn AI. Children will learn robotics. There is no escape from AI. But then the world is trying to escape from this today, and this is what is needed. If you ask all of them to come and sit on the stage. So this is something, see, if you look at the vision statement of our school, you see it everywhere. The vision statement of our school is broaden the vision and deepen the roots. So we have to be totally deep-rooted in our roots, our culture, our heritage, our samskaras. If we are deep-rooted, yeah. All of this. So once the roots are taken care of, then the branches, the broader vision is automatically taken care of. Kannadದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಳೆ ಬೇರು ಹೊಸ ಚಿಗುರು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So roots have to be strengthened. Again, congratulate all of you, and I must really appreciate Praveen sir, a Sanskrit scholar and a wonderful theatre artist, excellent theatre artist. So his enthusiasm is something that I could not curb. Yeah. There were a lot of challenges actually. You know, there was some maintenance work going on there, and this low speed, high volume fan being put up here. In spite of it, the children have adjusted, and Praveen sir has also adjusted with everything, and this summer camp has happened very, very successfully. So congratulations to him, and my heartfelt thanks to all the supporting staff for this. And my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents. You have supported this beautiful program. Yes, it was a short and sweet, very nice program. So, you know, wherever I meet people, one thing that I cannot stop talking about is Gurudev and Ashram. Yes, so you all might have seen everywhere in the papers, on the television channels. Gurudev with Art of Living is celebrating the 45th year, completion of 45th year. So imagine 45 years, the amount of seva done by the master. Amazing seva done by him. He's not just touched this country, but he's touched 184 countries the world. Yes, his focus is education, his focus is rural development. Yeah, and his focus is Vyakti Vikasa. See, he knows that only when once an individual blossoms, will that person bring about a change in the society, isn't it? So each one of us working on ourselves is what he focuses on. So how many of you have not done the happiness program? Please put up your hand. How many of you have not done the happiness program of the Art of Living? Yeah. So all those who have not done the happiness program of the Art of Living, yeah, take a sankalpa here. Even the sankalpa ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, Art of Living happiness program, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಶಿಬಿರ, ಆನಂದದ ಶಿಬಿರ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. See, all your children practice Sudarshan Kriya on a daily basis. So don't you want to learn Sudarshan Kriya and practice it? See, that people in 184 countries are practicing it, why should we not practice? Alva? ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, the northern tip of North Pole, southern tip of South Pole, people sit and practice Sudarshan Kriya. Where there is no sunlight, Gurudev has teached with the Sudarshan Kriya. Yes? So that is such a powerful, beautiful technique, and you just need 30 minutes a day. So since you are in a smaller group, so it makes it easy for you to reach out to you. So next, we keep conducting courses. Sampath Kumar, who's staying in Vidya Mipra for 30 years. So she conducts the courses regularly here in Vidya Mipra school. So please, I request you all to come and do the course. Yes? And those of you who have not got your children to do the intuition program, next again we'll be announcing it. Please get the children to do the intuition program. Gurudev always keeps telling that that is going to bring revolution in education. So please get your children to do this IP. Along with Sudarshan Priya, when they do the intuition program, their intuitive abilities develop. And I'd like to share with you all that one of our students, Manyata Anil Nikar, all of you would have seen everywhere. She got selected in a mega audition of Saregama The Little Champs, Manyata. And my God, that girl has, they asked her, what are your hobbies other than music? Sangeeta Bitta Vereni Guttuga, she said intuition. And that girl has proved her intuitive abilities on the regional channel and she's become a star. Now, I'm getting a lot of mails from parents. See, all these years we've been conducting IP and the response was very poor. Now, parents after seeing that, there is a next IP program. So, kindly get your children enrolled for IP. That's the best gift you can give your child. That's a good gift for their intuitive abilities. It's available only till 18 years of age. So these two things. And I want all of you, it's my request, kindly do the happiness program and practice Sudarshan Kriya. Will you all do it? It's a promise. Promise to whom? To yourself. Okay, thank you. And I'd really like to once again appreciate Kavi. Single-handedly is managed this foundation. Can you imagine? See, you all know how difficult it is to manage 1 or 2 or 3 children at home. Yes or no? Yes. See, in a formal atmosphere of a classroom, it's not so much of a challenge. But in an informal atmosphere like a summer camp, single-handedly, he has managed so many children and so beautifully they are entered to shlokas. And their acting was also very, very good. Okay? So good, sir. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev.